Ding dong, ding dong.
So to make the slogan on your iPhone, you need two apps. You need this app called Line Camera and Picsart, and this app called iPrint and Scan is optional. It depends on your printer. So first of all, you're gonna open up Line Camera, and then we're gonna select Collage. And then on the top bottom corner, we see this button that says 3 to 4. So we're gonna change it until it says 4 to 3. And then now you're going to click on the second icon, or whatever you call that. You're going to have 3 of these scrolling things. Oh my god, my vocabulary is horrible. So the part where it says corners, you're going to make this 0. And then this all borders should be 13. So now you want to make these 2 boxes in a color that isn't the color of your border. So I chose gray, so we're gonna save a gray photo beforehand, and then click album, and then select the photo, and then click add, and then it becomes 2 gray boxes. So now we're gonna go to color, we're gonna press this color button here, and then we see this part that says border. So we're going to click on the second border, and then if you click on these random colors, you can see that these colors are changing. And then as you can see, there aren't really many aesthetic colors on this chart here, so you can choose it from here. So once you go on this back button, you can see that you can change the border's size. And then this is totally random, but if you make it too thin like this, it's going to be really hard when you cut it. So, but if it's too thick, it's not going to look pretty, so you want it to be like a normal size. So I'm going to go with 45. So now you're going to click on this text box here, and then press text, and then you're going to type in the name of your bias or a K-pop member, or you can type in the name of the K-pop group. And then so it can be whatever language you want, but I decided to go with Korean. So if you decide to type your K-pop idol's name in Korean, I recommend you searching it beforehand. So I decided to do Kim Namjoon. And then we're going to press next. And then I'm going to choose the American Typewriter bold font. And then it will come up like this. And then you're going to choose a bright color. Well, I recommend white, because you can see it easily on top of the gray background. And then the size is random, you can choose whatever size you want, but it should be big because you want it to be able to cut it easily when it's printed out. So I'm going to make it like this big, and then we're going to click this check mark over here, and then we're going to click text again, and then you're going to type another name of your K-pop idol. So I'm going to go with Kim Seokjin this time. Now once you're satisfied with the placing, we're going to press check, and then we're going to press this green button, which means save. And now you just save this. We're going to go over to Picsart, and then click on the add button down here and add this template that you just created earlier. No thanks. Okay. Sorry. Okay, and now we're gonna go over to stickers, or sticker, and then we're gonna go to search and then type in the name that you decided to go with. That when choosing the stickers, choose the ones that are easier to cut. So instead of like this one, it's cute though. I recommend you choosing photos like these because you don't need to cut out the hand. So I decided to go with this one. So we're gonna press this one, and then it will download it and then show up. So now we're gonna make the size smaller and then fit it inside this box. And so now I'm gonna do the same thing with Jin and choose a nice sticker for him. So for Jin, I decided to go with this banana picture that I love so much. So if you can't find the stickers you want from the sticker section, you can actually make your stickers by pressing add photo. And then, so for example, if I want to make a sticker of the new TXT member, we're going to press the eraser icon once again, and then we can erase the details. Okay, this is just an example, so I'm just going to make it really simple. So for example, if this is the sticker, you're going to press check, and then you can just put it wherever you want. So that's another option if you can't find the right stickers. So now you're basically done with the whole smartphone process. So we're going to press next, and then we're going to save it onto our device. This is what it looks like when it's printed out. So now you're going to use a cutter or an X-Acto knife and cut along here. So now you're going to cut out the letters, and this does take a lot of time, so I'll be back in a decade.
One eternity later.
So once you've cut all the letters and pictures and the borders out to make it into this type of form, you're going to want to laminate it. And I'm going to use the laminator that I have in my house, but I don't think a lot of you guys have a laminator in your houses. So another alternative is to use clear packaging tape or clear duct tape. And so what you do is you're going to take a clear tape, and then you can just, oh my god, okay, okay, you're going to tape it like that, and then you're just going to stick everything. Stop it.
Hey, stop it!
No. Okay, we're gonna stick everything, and then, okay, we're gonna stick everything, and then you're gonna take another tape and put it like that, and then it's gonna turn into a nice slogan. So you're gonna take a little bit of duct tape bigger than the size of your slogan, and now place it onto the desk. And then, so if this was the slogan, we're going to want to put it on top of the tape like this. And put that over on top like this. And cut the excess like this, so that way you'll need a laminator.
Meanwhile.
Okay, so I am back after that whole lot of disaster. So now we're gonna laminate everything. So now I'm gonna go slide it inside the laminator. Okay, so it is now out of the laminator and it should look like this. So now we're going to cut along the borders once again using your scissors. So this is the final product. So Namjoon turned out the way it was supposed to be from the start. I think it's good but not perfect. And Jin, I am so sorry. Yeah. So if you saw my last clip, I ripped out this border, so I had to make my own border using a purple washi tape. So if your border rips out like mine, you should use washi tape too. And then it's unbalanced, so I'm sure a lot of you guys can do better than I did today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye!